Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today we're going to revisit a tortilla Spanish omelette that I've done quite a while ago and the one I've done before. So this time I've got a new pan, a lot smaller than the other one, so I can build up the depth. So I'm going to pimp up a traditional Spanish omelette. Obviously we've got eggs, onions, garlic, chorizo, cheese. I've boiled some potatoes, these are going to be sliced up. Got some chives, salt and pepper, some seasoning and some basil and some parsley. So we'll get started and we'll see you soon. So, bit of olive oil, our onions, our garlic, our chorizo, turn the heat off, take this out, so what I'm going to do now is just get a parsley I picked from the garden, well terrace, pull some leaves off, scrunch this up with the parsley and the basil. Slice up our potatoes. Crack open our eggs. Decided to put another 2 eggs in. Some seasoning. Pepper. Chives. Parsley and basil. Just give this a gentle stir first. And then with my new whisk, some olive oil, a little bit of cheese in the bottom, layer of potatoes, some of our mix of onions, garlic and chorizo. A little bit of our egg mixture. Another layer of cheese. Potatoes. The rest of our chorizo, garlic and red onions. The rest of our egg mixture. Make sure this is potatoes are pushed down enough inside the egg and the chorizo. The rest of our cheese. And we'll let this cook away, and we'll be back soon. Okay, so this is cooking lovely, so give that another couple of minutes and I'm going to transfer that pan to the oven. So see you soon when I bring it out and it's all done. Cheers guys. Okay, so let's pull this out and we'll have a look. Oh yes. Sound like Churchill then, doesn't I? Okay, so we'll let this cool down a little bit. We'll turn it out, have a little carve up, and we'll show you what's going on. Cheers guys, see you in a minute. So we'll have a little carve up, we'll empty it out onto a plate. So when this is cooled down, we'll put it onto a plate, have a little carve up, and we'll show you what's going on inside. Cheers guys, see you soon. Okay, so we're back. What I'm going to do is just turn this out. We get a plate. Oh my word. That has come out really good, so I'm really pleased with that. So we'll cut this up and we'll be right back. So as you can see, nice bit of thickness on it with the chorizo, the potatoes, the onions, the garlic, the chives, parsley, basil and all that good stuff. It's about 6-8 eggs in there, so really pleased with that. Really pleased with the new pan. It's still over here, not washed it up yet. It's an oven proof pan, so really pleased with that. So thank you very much for joining me, and you know, I really appreciate it. Stay safe, be good, and I'll see you soon. Cheers guys.